everyone, welcome to this channel. My name is Felix Bliss. Today I'm creating this birthday flyer in Photoshop. So just follow the steps I do and you can also do same. Okay, so what we are going to do now, I'll go for the pen tool, then I'll create a shape here, triangular shape. Okay, make a copy of that shape, then transform that one, flip it horizontal. Okay, then drag it to this side. Okay, now to make sure they align, select the two and then look for the alignment here. Okay, this, very good. Then what we are going to do next is we are going to create an oval. So I'll create this oval or an ellipse here, something like this. Okay, then I'll expand this one. Okay, so from here we have this, so I'm going to change the color for this one. So I'll use gradient for that one. Okay, so I'll go for the gradient, then I will use this particular gradient. Okay, but this time around you see we have the hash here and then we have the white here. So I will change the opacity. So I'll click the top here to change the opacity. If you click here you will change the color. If you click here you will change the opacity. So I'll set the opacity there to 0 because I don't need it. Then I will change this one to radial like this. Then instead of the color pointing inside, I want the transparency to go inside. So I will invert this one. So we have something like this. Okay, good. So from here, I will come here and change the opacity here to 10. Good. Now we have something like this. Okay, if you think the 10 is not cool, you can make it 20. So we have 20. Then I will make copies of this one. Control J, then I will transform this, hold the shift and the alt key, then transform it like this. Okay, so that you get all the sides moving. Uniform transformation. Okay, now you have something like this. Make another copy again, then transform it, hold the shift and the alt key, then transform it again. Then you have something like this. So from here we can select all the three and then we can reduce their maybe their opacity to maybe 10 because maybe the 20 is too much, so I'll use 10. Okay, I think this one is cool for me. So I'll go in and bring my picture. So I'm using this picture. Okay, now with this picture I will remove the background, and you know how to remove the background. So I think we have something like this. Okay, now you can see we have this white space, so I have to drag this image somewhere here. Okay, good. Then I'll write the happy birthday here and add some kind of effect to it. So let's go for the test and I'll write here happy birthday. So I'll go to the properties and then I will change the properties of the test. Then I will change the tracking. Okay, I'll change that tracking. This is the tracking. Okay, so I will set the tracking to 0. You can see that the space between each of the tests has now reduced. Okay, so we have something like this. Okay? So from here you can add the name of the person here. So the name I will use, then you can add the day. Okay, so I'm going to add the day, say um 30th June. So from here you can add some simple expression like +1 and stuff. Okay, so I can do that one here with a circle like this. Okay, let's change the text color to white, but before then let me drag the +1 to the circle so that when I type the 1 you will see it, and I change the color, you see, so +1. I will increase the size of this particular. So this is very simple birthday every beginner can create. This is very simple. I've taken my time to do this. Okay, you just need your shapes and then your text and picture, then you are done. So if you want more of my design, you want to learn as a beginner, then this is the platform for you. I'm not only creating birthday, I'm creating a lot of design for you. Whatever you need to learn, or flyers, whatever, this is your channel. Make sure you subscribe and I'm going to give you